Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the fingerprint animation on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now, as you might notice, whenever you use your fingerprint, there's an animation that appears. So let me show you that again. So whenever you use your fingerprint, there's that animation that appears. Now you can simply disable this animation from your device settings. So all you have to do is simply locate the settings icon or the settings app on either on the home screen or the app drawer and tap on it. And then within the settings, scroll down and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Select that. And then all you have to do is simply tap on fingerprint. And then if you have a screen lock or security lock, all you have to do is simply confirm just security lock. And then within the fingerprint unlock settings, scroll down until you find the fingerprint animation. So select that. And then now you should see a couple of fingerprint animations. Now to disable the fingerprint animation, all you have to do is simply tap on none, and that will disable the fingerprint animation. So you can exit the settings, and when you close your device and use your fingerprint, you'll no longer see the animations. So that's basically it on how to disable the fingerprint animations on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.